All right, Cadet. Welcome to your first solo flight training. We're going to start you off nice and easy. The coordinates have already been plugged into the autopilot system. You're just along for the ride to get your space legs. Grab yourself a cup of coffee before we prime the main engine system. Just try not to get any on the upholstery. The computer will guide you through getting the engines online. The button should be flashing on the console ahead of you right about now. Don't forget to divert pressure to the fuel pumps. All that's left is to engage the autopilot. Press that button next to the throttle and we'll be off. Let's get clear from the fleet and we can initiate the warp drive. I hope you skipped breakfast this morning. Okay, that should be far enough. Flip up the cover by the flight stick there and press the warp switch. We're just jumping you to the other side of Sector 42. Scanners are showing there's nothing over there but space dust. Hit it whenever you're ready, Cadet. Asteroid field? What are asteroids doing in Sector... Oh, I spilled a little coffee on the coordinates there. You're in Sector 76, not 42. Brace yourself, it's going to be a bumpy ride. This will be a great story to tell everyone later, if you live. The warp drive hasn't cooled yet, but this might be your only shot. We're gonna have to make the jump and hope for the best. It's now or never. Cadet, come in, Cadet. Cadet, come in, Cadet. Cadet, come in. Cadet, come in, Cadet. You made it. I can't believe it. Looks like you blew the reactor. Luckily, all fleet ships are equipped with an emergency backup core that should have enough juice to get you home. Turn your chair around with the green switch by the throttle to access the engine compartment. First, you're going to need to remove the damaged reactor. Now, swap it with the backup. It should be in the chest to your right. Now just reboot the new reactor and we can get you out of here. Welcome back, Cadet. Glad to see you in one piece. Flight Control Deck isn't expecting you back until 2200. I'll look the other way if you want to take the controls until then. Re-engage the autopilot when you're finished. And that whole asteroid field mishap, it never happened.